Hello, everybody. Today we are going to solve other 5 Python challenges for beginners. Write a string in specific format. Check Python version. Print current time and date. Area of a circle. Reverse order. Before we start, please, give a like to this episode so more people can see it. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next episodes. Let's go. Write a string in specific format. Write a Python program to print the following string in a specific format. See the output. Sample string is, twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Let's see the solution. Check Python version. Write a Python program to find out what version of Python you are using. A string containing the version number of the Python interpreter plus additional information on the build number and compiler used. This string is displayed when the interactive interpreter is started. Version info. A tuple containing the 5 components of the version number, major, minor, micro, release level, and serial. All values except release level are integers. The release level is alpha, beta, candidate, or final. The version _info value corresponding to the Python version 3.0 is 3.0.0, final, 0. Let's see the solution. Print current time and date. The following tasks: date now, date using time zone, UTS time, and date in ISO format. Let's see the solution. circle. Write a Python program that calculates the area of a circle based on the radius centered by the user. Here the Greek letter pi represents a constant, approximately equal to 3.14159, which is equal to the ratio of the circumference of any circle to its diameter. Let's see the solution. Reverse order. Write a Python program that accepts the user's first and last name and prints them in reverse order with a space between them. Code on Puffic should be Puffic on code. Let's see the solution. Thank you for watching. Please, give a like for support this channel. Write comments, share with friends, and subscribe to see new series. Be safe. Bye.